YouTube? My name's Jess, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys the gifts that I got from Acme. So the 2023 Acme show scale modeling conference was this past weekend, and I have to say I honestly have not had that much fun in such a long time. It was truly an amazing experience to be able to meet so many individuals who share the same passion and hobby as me, with twice as much knowledge, and it was just such a great time. So I'm just still walking on cloud 9 about it, and I just wanted to go over some of the kits that they had given me. So first up, this kit is a figure that Hobby Dude, Mark Batson from Hobby Dude 007 actually came up to me at the conference and he said, Jess, I've seen this kit and I just instantly thought of you, and I was like, I had to get it for you if you would build it. And I was like, I totally will build that. I love it. So I wanted to show you guys. And Mark, thank you so much, because honestly, that was just such a kind gesture. It was just really so sweet of you. I really appreciate it. So we're gonna open her up. Just have a little box like that. There we go. So I'm just kind of getting into the realm of doing figures recently, and this is one of the larger scale figures. The material is a little bit heavy, but this is the bust, and she's gonna have the legs like that. So it'll look a little bit something like this. So in the image, she has a hat, but in the kit, there is no hat. There's only a couple little pieces in this kit. Go ahead and try and show you on camera. There's just a couple pieces in here. The directions are in Japanese, so I better learn very quick. Thankfully, there's not that many parts, so I think it'll be a little more self-explanatory. But yeah, this is a kit that I'm looking forward to do, and as I was saying, the hat did not come into the kit, so I'll probably just make my own hat, or you know me, I'll just fabricate one and go from there. But yeah, Mark, thank you again. This is so cool of you, and I will get around to building this kit, most definitely. I swore myself off of figures after doing Lydia, but I promise I will be doing this one. So thanks again, Mark Batson. He is Hobby Dude 007, so go check out his channel if you've not done so. He's got some awesome builds up there, and he's a great guy. So please, please go and check him out. And next we have over here, this is the Monsters house. Now this is a Mobius kit. I love Mobius kits. Last Mobius kit I built was the Stoned Hoods and Crooks, and honestly, before I knew that Mobius was the name of the company that creates the kit, I thought that the guy's name was Mobius, so I've been calling the Stoned Hoods and Crooks guy Mobius for about a year now. But no, I know now that Mobius is the name of the kit company. Anyway, this kit was given to me by Bob Busking. I hope I'm saying your last name right, Bob. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But Bob Busking gave me this kit. He's another really great builder. He's over at Rusty Spud Aerodome, so please go and check him out. I love things creepy, horror, and gore, and Monsters is an absolute classic. So this is the house, 1313 Mockingbird Lane, from the Monsters. Now this is going to be a bit of a different kit for me, just because of it's a lot smaller scale than what I'm used to. Let me see what scale this is. I don't know. I'm just gonna pretend I know what scale it is. So I don't know what scale it is, but it's very small. As you can see, some of the pieces right here. I'm also really excited to do this kit because there's gonna be some awesome stuff that I have planned with this, including like weathering and putting realistic stuff on there and making like a diorama. And here are the stickers that comes, the little decals for the windows. Spooky, real spooky. So yes, I cannot wait to do this one. This is another build that's gonna be so exciting and so much fun to do. Bob, thank you again so much. Just so kind of you and very thoughtful to bring this down for me, and I really appreciate it, and I hope that I can do it justice. All right. And last but not least, so I intend on doing a monster truck. I don't know why, guys, but I have been fixated on monster trucks for probably the last 6 months. I just think they're so cool. Out of all the cars and all the models I've seen, I have yet to build a monster truck, and I really want to do the monster truck from the show, The Righteous Gemstones. I don't know how many of you have seen that show, but it was actually filmed here in South Carolina. So it is such a funny show, and they have a monster truck in the show called the Redeemer, and I am gonna do my best to do that justice. So my stepmom actually won this kit in the raffle at the show, and I was like, that is completely serendipitous because I intend on building a monster truck. So I'm gonna be turning this kit with a Ford body into a bit of a kit bashing into the Redeemer from The Righteous Gemstones. So that's probably gonna be my next build, so keep an eye out for that. And thank you to my stepmom who actually gave me this kit from the raffle. I really appreciate that as well. So yeah, guys, those are my finds from the show. And I just wanted to share with you guys and give a big thank you. And I hope that all of you have a wonderful, happy Halloween. All right, take care. Bye.